Huh?
Do it to him again.
You pulled my hair.
Hey, 4 months doctor's appointment.
4 months. You pulled my hair.
17 pounds, 13 ounces, and 27 inches long.
Woo! Boo. Yeah.
We got our shots. Get some blood work.
You got blood all over this? You got blood all over this because you're kicking so much? Jeez. Jeez, bud.
Happy 4 months.
Mmm. Eat my hands. Eat my hands for my birthday. Mmm. We got a happy hour in honor of you.
Of you.
Of the bee money.